Hi friend, this is a story about snowballs. What can you do with snowballs? Do you think birds know when it's going to snow? I do. The seeds we left out were almost gone. New snow would be buried by the rest. We'd be waiting for a real big snow, saving good stuff in a sack. A sack is a bag. Finally, it was perfect snow day. We rolled 3 snowballs, 1, 2, 3, and made a snow dad. What things do you see? There's a hat, there's a strawberry nose, some corn, some raisins, and a snow mom. Look at all the cool things they used. And a snow boy. Made a snow girl. There's buttons there. Some pine cones. And a snow baby. Look at her little hair. And built a snow cat at the end of the day. And a snow dog that we called Spot. Lots of spots. I guess you know what happened when the sun came out. Snow Dad's shrinking. Mom is mush, boy is a glob, and girl is slush. Baby's melting, cat's getting small, dog is a puddle. So long, Snowball. And here's all the kind of neat things they used in this story. What will you use when you make a snowball and a snowman? Have fun. Bye, friends.